Want to stay fit without going to the gym? Yearning to achieve those fitness goals from the comfort of your home? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a variety of exercises you can do right at home, no equipment needed. Let's get started, shall we? First up, we have the classic push-ups. Start by placing your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor. Extend your legs behind you, creating a straight line from head to toe. Lower your body until your chest is just a hair's breadth from the floor. Push back up, that's one. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Next, let's get those legs working with squats. Stand with your feet slightly wider than your hips. Extend your arms in front of you for balance. Lower your body as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your back straight and your knees above your toes. Rise back up, that's one squat. Try for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. For our third exercise, we're targeting the core with planks. Lie face down, then prop your body up on your forearms and toes. Keep your body straight, like a plank, and hold this position. Start with 30 seconds and work your way up to a minute. Moving on to lunges. Stand straight, take a step forward with your right foot, and lower your body until your right knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push back up and return to the starting position. Repeat with the left foot. That's one lunge on each side. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions per side. Finally, we're going to do some burpees. Start in a standing position. Drop into a squat, place your hands on the ground, and kick your feet back into a push-up position. Jump your feet back in, stand up, and jump with your hands reaching for the sky. That's one burpee. Try to do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. So to recap, push-ups work your upper body, specifically your chest and triceps. Squats are great for your lower body, targeting your quadriceps and glutes. Planks are an excellent core exercise, working your entire abdominal region. Lunges are fantastic for your lower body, focusing on your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Burpees are a full-body exercise, working almost every muscle and getting your heart rate up. Remember, consistency is key in any fitness journey. You don't need fancy equipment or an expensive gym membership to stay fit. All you need is willpower, determination, and a little bit of floor space. So, why wait? Start your fitness journey today, right in the comfort of your own home.